Welcome guys, so today we are here with the first video of the series we want to make for explain our project. The T500, there is many reasons why this can be started, This is what we explained, this idea started 3 years ago when we see the first 21 CRF 450 model coming. So we checked the frame and was really nice to thinking, oh, maybe can be possible make something without cut the frame, without modify something. The best shape is to make something plug and play and to be useful for everyone. So this is the reason for this a very plug and play kit, a very important conversion kit. Nothing need to modify, and you can coming back on the first project, so on the 450, easy. Important things to understand, it's okay, no modification on the frame. Important it's to make a 500 with electric start and fuel injection. So the technology in the 2023 is very high, and we need to be to working with the technology. We don't like electric bikes, of course. This need to be true. This is our dream, not because the sound of the two-stroke, okay, it's really amazing. So we start to design and redesign and check and change and cut and this and that. So we arrive to build up our CNC crankcases. We casting the cylinder. We make our cylinder head in 2 pieces. We make our crankshaft, our piston with the collector and stuff. All the exhaust, and for sure the important thing, the electronic. Trust us, it was not so really easy to make this kind of project live. Many things you need to produce, you need to create, you need to adapt, there is not so easy to make it, but we are able to make it, and now it's on the market, and we are very happy to have this kind of results for selling, and for our riders, they try and they use this bike. Thank you for watching, and follow us the next video, so we explain more characteristics, we are more into the engine. Thank you, see you guys, ciao.